Welcome. I want to show you again how to use pixellab to create your ebook cover design or your book cover design. You can also use it for printed books as long as you can increase the quality of whatever you are designing. So now once you open your pixellab, click on default, then click on these three dots that is up here. These three dots that is up here, click on it. There's a three dots here, click on it. You will see image size. Click on image size. Once you click on image size, change the width to 6 and change the height to 9. So this is what you have. So is you that you should have a picture of what you want your book to look like. I already know the picture. You can draw it out with a pencil on a paper or your pen and on a paper. Just draw it out. Then for you to have a very fast process. So I already know what I want to design in mind, and I've drawn it in my mind, so I'll just go ahead. So I'll choose two colors. So come to this background tool. I'm going to choose on color. So when I choose on color, I'm going to choose a color that I would like to work with now. Let me find something close to this. Okay, good. I'm going to delete this text. I will do another one. So I want to add two colors. I'm going to add a shape, and a box shape indeed. If you want your work to be perfectly aligned, you can use rulers. This is rulers up here, so click on it. You can increase the number of lines by using this arrow. Click on the arrow, then I'm going to say 10 by 10. Okay, good. So I'm going to click on the settings again, and I'm going to click on this U. Alright, so that's perfect. It will help your work to be well aligned. Okay, perfect. Okay, choose another color for the shape. I don't want that. Click your shape and add color to it. So once you are done adding color, let's just work with this color for now. I want to duplicate it. You can easily copy it. Just copy. So the copied one is what I'll bring down here. I'll bring it down. Perfect. So come to your A, click on add new text, edit it. I want to say the title of the book is How to Become Successful. How to become successful, because I want it to be on different stuffs. So copy it again. Successful. Okay, copy it again, add another word. Let's say the name of the author's name. Okay, you can do with your hand, but sometimes I don't like doing with my hand for quality's sake. So what I do is come here, select the element I want to do, then I come to relative position, use it, bring it down, and I put it in the center. If it's okay by you, good. You can increase the size of the text and realign it again. You can adjust the position by moving it upwards a bit. Then I'm going to change the font, because your font also must be strategically chosen. Author's name. So now, successful. Let's make successful font a unique black bold. I want it to be a unique black. So increase the size of successful. Perfect. Okay, so I put it in the center and I shift it downwards. Okay, now you can reduce the size of your box. Then you shift that successfully again to ensure that is in the middle of that box, is well aligned. Perfect. So I can lock it, lock successful, lock author's name, and how to become successful. How to, let's change the color to red. Let's change the color to red. I'm not getting this particular red color. I'm not getting that particular red, and I want it to be the same. There are different ways to do that. I know how to find my way about it. So I screenshot it. I had the screenshot from gallery. So once I've added it from gallery, I go to back to from gallery, then it should be on my recent stuffs. Alright, perfect. What I need is just the red. So I'm going to hide it and lock it. So I click on how to become and I go to color. Then I choose plus. Then I choose the color dropper. Then I choose this. So it's going to choose that color for me. Thank you. So I change the font again. I'm using a unique typeface. Recent, so I'm going to use, let's say, medium. So I increase the size. increase the size and I put the position to be in the middle, and you adjust it again to be in the center of that line also. So you can see the work is perfect now, but I like to edit it and remove the space so it can be well aligned. So I bring it again to the middle. Perfect. How to become successful. You can shift it downwards a bit if you want. It's all depending on you. So I'm going to select how to become again to write the subtitle. Copy, edit. 7 proven ways to go from failure to success. Keyword. So I can reduce the size again. So I can edit this to my taste. 7 proven ways to go from failure to success. So you can adjust that and make it centerized. Alignment should be like this. Then I bring its position. I can increase the size a bit. And adjust the position again. Alright, now my work is done. Close the rollers. You can see, is it not beautiful? So I come to save. I'm going to save it as a project. Become. So I can work on it later. That's why I'm saving it as a project if I have anything to edit again. So now I want to save it as an image. I'll save it as JPG and PNG. So JPG first and Ultra. Save to gallery. Save again as image, as PNG now, and use Ultra. Save to gallery. Image is saved. So I have the 2 images. So go and open your Chrome browser. Go to DIYbookcovers.com. Let it load. And also you can use smartmockups.com. So let's see which one goes up first. DIYbookcovers.com. It's loading. So just click on book mockups. Click on mockups. It doesn't really give me much of these stuffs. I don't get to trouble myself with all these ones it's bringing. I don't want this your template, just leave me, you guys should leave me alone. So go to google.com. Once you're on google.com, just type on DIY book covers. Alright, so this is it. Here we have it. So single composite, choose the style that you want. I want this one, so click on next. Once you are done, then browse for your image and select your image. I have it there, that's my image. So click on upload. It's going to upload. Oh no, that's not the image, this one is screenshot. I don't want the screenshot. I'm going to browse again. I'm going to re-upload. So either of these two is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to upload it again. So it should re-upload. Perfect. So how to become successful. 7 proven ways to go from failure to success. So next. So I want it in JPG format. If you download the PNG to come with a transparent background. Okay. Let me download the PNG too, so you can see the difference. So the same principle goes for smart mockups. So once you go to smartmockups.com, so just go to smartmockups.com. Once you get in there, it becomes quite much more easier for you. So you can browse all mockups, but I'm not interested in all those stuffs. So what I'm really interested in is books. Browse all mockups. So I'm just going to tell them I need book mockup. So now you have series here, so I want books. You can see a lot. This one is for clothes. Perhaps if you're a graphic designer and you do some logo stuffs and all those kind of stuff, you can easily do it like that. So now what I want is books. So there are lots of books here. Just choose the book that is free and that is not locked, that you can easily use. How to become successful. Which one is really nice for me to use? Let me see. Okay, I'm going to choose this picture.